StorageWorks Wicker Pantry Baskets provide a stylish and functional solution for keeping your home organized and clutter-free. These hand-woven baskets are crafted from natural water hyacinth, offering a rustic yet modern aesthetic that complements any decor style. From farmhouse to contemporary, designed with durability in mind, each unit features a sturdy frame that ensures it can hold various household items while maintaining its shape over time. The convenience of these storage solutions is enhanced by the integrated handles, which make it easy to slide the bins off shelves or transport them from room to room. When you choose StorageWorks Wicker Pantry Baskets, you are investing in a versatile organizing tool that works perfectly in kitchens for dry goods, in living rooms for media accessories, or in bathrooms for towels and toiletries. Their compact design is specifically suited for standard shelving, maximizing your vertical space and keeping your essentials within easy reach. Cleaning and maintaining these baskets is simple, requiring only a quick wipe with a dry cloth to keep them looking pristine. Because they are handmade from sustainable materials, every basket possesses subtle, unique characteristics that add character to your living space. By incorporating StorageWorks Wicker Pantry Baskets into your daily routine, you can effortlessly transform chaotic areas into tidy, well-organized displays that enhance the overall look and feel of your home. Pros: made of natural, renewable materials, earth-friendly, sustainable construction, versatile storage for various items, open design for easy access. Features sturdy built-in handles, hand-woven for quality craftsmanship, helps organize pantry and home, offers convenient, secure carrying. Cons: size may vary slightly, hand-woven truction instances, limited color options available. Specific dimensions may not fit. Features: pantry storage organizer, built-in carrying handles, hand-woven wicker material, natural water hyacinth, shelf-friendly design. 2 basket pack StorageWorks Wicker Pantry Baskets provide a stylish and functional solution for keeping your home organized and clutter-free. These hand-woven baskets are crafted from natural water hyacinth, offering a rustic yet modern aesthetic that complements any decor style. From farmhouse to contemporary, designed with durability in mind, each unit features a sturdy frame that ensures it can hold various household items while maintaining its shape over time. StorageWorks Pantry Baskets offer a sustainable and eco-friendly storage solution crafted from renewable water hyacinth that brings a natural aesthetic to home organization while providing versatile, easy access storage for various items thanks to their sturdy built-in handles and quality hand-woven construction. Despite these benefits, users should be aware that the hand-woven nature of these baskets can result in slight size variations and inconsistencies, and they may not suit every space due to specific dimension constraints and a limited selection of available colors.